66 million years ago, a rock missed Earth. The asteroid streaks past, harmlessly, into deep space. No fireball, no global winter, no mass extinction. The dinosaurs simply keep living, and the entire story of our planet changes. Forests still echo with deep rumbling calls. Tiny mammals still scurry beneath enormous feet. But what happens over the next 66 million years? Could intelligent dinosaurs eventually build cities of their own? Let's walk through what science says would really happen. In the first million years, almost nothing visible changes. Dinosaurs continue evolving, exactly as they had been doing. Tyrannosaurs refine their hunting. Duck-billed herbivores spread across vast floodplains. Long-necked titans still shake the ground. But Earth itself keeps moving. Continents drift, climate shift, and new pressures slowly reshape every species alive. The warm, humid world begins cooling. Ice creeps toward the poles just as it did in our timeline. Dinosaurs must adapt or vanish. Many lineages would shrink in size to survive colder, leaner seasons ahead. Smaller bodies lose heat slower per kilogram, so feathered, insulated dinosaurs gain a serious evolutionary advantage. We already know many dinosaurs had feathers. In this world, feathers spread further, becoming common across countless new species. Imagine tyrannosaur descendants covered in shaggy, downy coats. Picture raptors with brilliant plumage, hunting through snowy northern forests. Grasses, meanwhile, are quietly taking over the planet. They evolved late in the dinosaur age and would still spread widely. Vast grasslands replace many ancient forests. Herbivorous dinosaurs would evolve to graze these tough new plains. Picture herds of horned ceratopsians thundering across open savannas. Their beaks crop grass like bison do today. Predators follow the herds naturally. Sleek, long-legged theropods evolve for endurance running across endless prairies. Mammals do not disappear in this world. They simply stay small, nocturnal, and clever, hiding in burrows and trees. No giant mammals ever evolve. No horses, no whales, no elephants, and crucially, no primates like us. The ecological, big animal jobs are already taken. Dinosaurs fill every niche mammals would have claimed in our timeline. Whales are replaced by enormous marine reptiles' descendants. Long-necked plesiosaur cousins might still patrol deep ocean trenches. Pterosaurs evolve further too. Some grow even larger, while others shrink into nimble, songbird-like aerial hunters. But true birds keep evolving alongside them. Remember, birds are technically living dinosaurs that survived our real extinction. So this alternate Earth has both. Giant pterosaurs glide above, while tiny feathered birds dart through underbrush below. Around 50 million years in, something interesting happens. Brains across many dinosaur lineages slowly grow larger and more complex. This already occurred in real evolution. Gerodontids, small and bird-like, had impressive brain-to-body ratios for their time. Given another 66 million years, those brains keep growing. Tool use, problem-solving, and social cooperation might emerge naturally. Paleontologist Dale Russell once imagined this exact scenario. He called the hypothetical creature a dinosauroid, intelligent and upright. Modern scientists debate his specific design heavily, but the underlying question remains genuinely fascinating to evolutionary biologists today. Could a dinosaur lineage develop human-level intelligence? Honestly, science can't say for sure, but it isn't impossible. Intelligence is rare and costly to evolve. Big brains burn enormous energy and require long, vulnerable childhoods to develop. Still, given tens of millions of years, evolution explores countless paths. Something cognitively remarkable could plausibly emerge somewhere. Maybe it walks on two legs. Maybe it has grasping claws, sharp eyes, and a feathered, expressive face. Maybe it never looks humanoid at all. Intelligence doesn't require our specific body plan to flourish in nature. Octopuses are brilliant and look nothing like us. A clever dinosaur civilization might be utterly alien to imagine. Would they build cities? Possibly, but their architecture might favor warmth, open sky, and nesting grounds over walls. Would they discover fire? Maybe, though grasping hands and curiosity are usually prerequisites for that crucial leap. Would they ever look up and wonder? That's perhaps the most haunting question this whole thought experiment asks us. Pause for a moment here. Would you want to live in a world ruled by intelligent dinosaurs? Tell me below. Now back to our alternate Earth. Ice ages still come and go, reshaping continents and coastlines repeatedly. During glacial periods, many dinosaur species vanish. Others adapt brilliantly, growing thicker feathers and migrating with the seasons. Picture woolly tyrannosaurs crossing frozen tundras. Imagine herds of feathered hadrosaurs migrating like caribou across icy plains. Tropical regions remain dinosaur strongholds. Dense jungles still host the largest, strangest, most colorful species on the planet. Coral reefs evolve under different predators. Mosasaur descendants might cruise warm shallows, hunting fish in vivid turquoise water. The skies stay crowded too. Pterosaurs and birds compete fiercely, pushing each other into new shapes, sizes, and behaviors. Insects keep diversifying alongside them. Pollinators co-evolve with flowering plants exactly as they did in our own timeline. So in many ways, this Earth looks familiar. Green forests, blue oceans, white clouds, golden grasslands stretching toward horizons. But every large animal is a dinosaur. Every footprint in the mud belongs to something scaled or feathered. And no human ever evolves. That single fact rewrites everything we know about history, culture, and meaning itself. No pyramids rise from desert sands. No cave paintings, no written languages, no symphonies, no telescopes pointed at distant stars. Unless, of course, the dinosaurs build their own. Their cities, songs, and sciences would simply be utterly unlike ours. Maybe they communicate through booming infrasound. Elephants and crocodiles already do this. Large dinosaurs likely did too. Maybe they paint with feathers and pigments. Maybe their writing is patterns of scratches carved into ancient bark. We genuinely cannot know. Evolution is not a ladder climbing toward us. It's a sprawling, branching, unpredictable bush. Intelligence might never arise here at all. 66 million years could pass with no civilization ever emerging anywhere. Dinosaurs ruled for over 160 million years. They never needed cities to thrive magnificently. Perhaps that's the deepest lesson hidden inside this question. Success in nature isn't measured by skyscrapers or spacecraft. It's measured by survival, adaptation, and balance. By that standard, dinosaurs were arguably the most successful animals ever. Our own species has existed roughly 300,000 years. Dinosaurs lasted over 500 times longer than that. In this alternate world, that streak simply continues. Earth remains their planet, shaped by their breath and footsteps. And somewhere, on a quiet evening, something looks up. A feathered creature watches the same moon we watch tonight. Maybe it wonders about the strange, small mammals scurrying past. Maybe it wonders about asteroids and luck and chance. Maybe it never wonders at all. Maybe it simply lives fully present in the only world it has ever known. That brings us back to our own reality. One rock, one trajectory, one extraordinarily unlikely cosmic accident changed everything. Without that impact, you would not exist. Neither would your family, your language, your city, your favorite song. Every human story traces back to that day. The asteroid didn't just end the dinosaurs, it quietly began us. That's a humbling thought to sit with. We are here because something else, magnificent and ancient, was not. So tonight, when you look at a bird, remember, you're looking at the last living echo of that lost dynasty. They never fully left us. They sang in our trees, splash in our ponds, and soar above our cities daily. In a way, the dinosaurs never truly went extinct. They just got smaller, lighter, and learned how to fly away. If this thought experiment moved you, share it. Tell me in the comments which animal you'd want to meet there. Subscribe and ring the bell for more big what-ifs. We explore one impossible question at a time, together. Because sometimes the most beautiful science isn't about what happened. It's about everything that almost did and didn't.